Paper 2 question regarding the topic of the difference between photovoltaic cells and solar heating panels. At one particular location, the average power received from the sun during a 6 period each day is 840 watts over meter squared. The solar heater has an overall efficiency of 35%. It is required that during the 6-hour period, the solar heater rises the temperature of 140 kilograms of water by 25 Kelvin. The specific heat capacity of water is 4.2 kilojoules over kilogram Kelvin. Therefore, calculate the minimum effective area of the solar heater. First of all, we need to calculate the energy that is required in order to rise the 25 Kelvin of temperature. This will be calculated with the formula of Q equal mass times specific heat capacity times change in temperature, which in this case will use the 140 kilograms established in the problem times the specific heat capacity, that is in kilojoules, which will be therefore multiplied times 1000, that is 4,200, times the change in temperature, that is 25 Kelvin. The answer for this is 14,700,000 joules. Then we need to establish the energy that the solar panel needs to produce in order to have this same amount. Therefore, we will use the formula of energy equals power times time. And power, we know from the other formula, that is equals to intensity times area. Therefore, the whole formula for energy will be equals to power, that is intensity times area, times time, and this should be equal to the 14,700,000 in order to solve for area. Therefore, we know that 14,700,000 should be equal to intensity, that is the same as multiplying the 840 watts over meter squared times the efficiency, that is 0.35, that is the 35%, times area, that is the one that we need to find, times time, that is 6 hours established in the problem, but we need it in seconds. Therefore, we know that in 1 hour there is 3,600 seconds. Therefore, in 6 hours we will need to multiply 6 times the 3,600 seconds. Then we know that this number, that is the energy we need to rise the temperature by 25 Kelvin, will be equal to this times this times this times this times area. So the answer of all that multiplication without taking into account the area is 6,350,400 times area. And the last step in order to find the area is just divide the 14,700,000 over the 6,350,400, which will give us an area of about 2.31 meters squared.